Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to look at a problem I gave on vectors inclined at right angle or vectors inclined perpendicular to each other. So I want to solve the assignment I gave so I can confirm your answer if you're actually correct. Stay tuned. Two vectors 10 Newton and 12 Newton acting perpendicular to each other. Calculate the magnitude and what? Direction. So when you hear the word perpendicular, what it actually means is that the vectors are inclined at right angle. So let us see what we have on the board. Solution. So I'm going to draw the vectors as they are inclined. The F1 is 10 Newton and F2 is what? 12 Newton. Inclined at what? Right angle. So the first thing I'm going to do is to complete this shape to form a square, or you can form a rectangle depending on how you draw it, but you must make sure that they are inclined at right angle. So if this is parallel to this, here becomes what? 10 Newton. If this is parallel to this, here becomes what? 12 Newton. Now the 2 points of intersection, we are going to join it to call it what? R, which is our what? Resultant. So we join it to call it R. Okay, this is my what? Resultant. So the next thing I'm going to do, now I have two triangles, this and this. You can choose any part of the triangle to solve it, but I will choose the down part. Okay, so I'll bring it out. If I bring it out, I will have this. This becomes my what? R. This is my what? 12 Newton. This is my right angle. This is 10 Newton. Okay? Remember, I'm going to still find for the what? Direction. Now what I'm going to do now is to use Pythagoras theorem to solve for the resultant or magnitude. So I'm going to say R square is equals to F1 square plus F2 what? Square. Okay? R square is equals to, what is my F1? My F1 is what? 10. I will say 10 square plus what? 12 square. Alright? So my R square is equals to 10 square is going to give me 100. 100 plus 144. Alright. So I'm going to have again R square is equals to, I will add these two of them together. 100 plus 144, I think is going to give us 244. So we have 200 and what? 44. Then remember, I am looking for R and not the roots of R. So what I'm going to do is maybe to take the roots of both sides. Okay? So if I take the root of both sides, this one will cancel to give me what? R, right? So I will have root of what? 200 and what? 44. Okay, looking at the root of 244 is going to give me 15.62. So I will have 15.62 Newton. This is my resultant or my magnitude. So let me solve for the direction. Okay, remember I'm going to use trigonometry or tan. And what is tan? Tan is what? Opposite over adjacent. So opposite to this angle is 10, while the adjacent to this angle is 12. So I'm going to say tan alpha is equals to 10 over what? 12. Tan alpha is equals to, is going to give me 0.88. Right? Since I'm looking for the alpha, which is the direction, I'm going to do shift tan. Okay? So alpha is equals to tan inverse of 0.88. Shift tan 0.88 equals to, I have alpha to be 41.35 approximately. This is my alpha. But I told you earlier that true direction must be taken from the vertical. What am I trying to say? This is north and this is what? East. This is what? South and this is what? West. If you want to take true direction, it's either you take it up or down. You can't take direction from where? From the horizontal. So because I choose this down part of the triangle, so my direction becomes here, but this is not my true direction. Peradventure you decide to choose the up part of the triangle, anything you got here as your angle, you don't need to subtract it to get your true direction because it's already your true direction. I hope you understand that. So for me to get the true direction is going to be what? 90 minus what I have, because I am working with the right angle triangle. So I will say 90 minus 41.35. Okay, so use your calculator. 90 minus 41.35. What do you have? You have 48.65 degrees. That is your direction. So I can say the direction is what? Not 48.65 degrees what? East. This is my direction. My direction is what? Not 48.65 degrees what? East. Okay, I hope you understand that. So this is how you can solve problem on vectors inclined at right angle or perpendicular to each other. So if you are watching this channel for the first time and you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe for more educative videos. See you next time in my next class. Bye.